Are you tired of leaving voicemails for your prospects and never getting a call back? Have you maybe given up? I hope you haven't, but have you given up altogether on leaving voicemails? You just hang up if they don't answer the phone. By the way, worst possible thing you could ever do for your career. Always leave a voicemail. Let me give you an idea around a voicemail right now, super easy to leave, that's gonna get people to call you back. You're gonna find a lot more people call you back when you say this. Hey Tom, it's Matt Easton here at Easton University. Hey, I've got an idea that I was hoping to get your opinion on. Could you give me a call on my mobile? It's 720-660-3202. Simply leave a voicemail letting that prospect know that you've got an idea that you'd like to get their opinion on, and you're going to be shocked they'll call you back. Why? Everybody loves to give their opinion. It makes them feel good. It inflates their ego. They feel special. They want to give you their opinion. Simply try this and leave a comment with how many people call you back. My name's Matt Easton. Follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.